What's up, y'all? How you doing? I got a book in my fucking nose and shit. What the hell you want? Take this shit. Talk to my dog. She want me to game. She like, I don't know what's up with my dog. My dog like fucking empty water bottles and shit. Like the little 16-ounce little water bottles and shit. Soda bottles that's empty. I guess when I first got it, used to drink sodas and waters and shit. That little 16-ounce, 24-ounce, whatever sodas and shit. I had somebody get from the damn fucking sodas and shit. Chill. Take the little sodas, eat them up and shit. Whatever. Play with the motherfuckers. For a couple hours, I'll take my thumb back there. She go grab them, bring them back to me. I'll get it again, do the same thing. What it is, what it is. That's not my topic for right now. I'm parked in Arkansas right now. A little stretched out. What's going? Shit, my visibility was fucking poor as hell. There's a truck coming in right now. I guess Arkansas DOT. Salting the damn grounds and shit. That's not. Look, that's a damn. What the hell they call that shit? Not damn billboard I seen. Winter advisory between we'll start at noon today. Let me see if I can get the damn truck. That's not my damn shit. See the damn little fucking DOT shit. Salting the damn roads and shit. Putting little trucks up and let's turn around. Winter advisory from day to Tuesday about 6 a.m. But I'm just chilling. Oh man, got to put my fact right before I got to where I'm at. Probably for the last 2 months. It was literally a truck in front of me, man. Probably about a good quarter mile. Maybe a little more than a quarter mile. Man, I didn't even see that damn truck. I decided to get the fuck out the road. I ain't about them players say, damn that shit. That load ain't worth my fucking life. We're getting in a damn accident. You feel what I'm saying? Well, you got some fucking dumbass drivers that get out there and still fucking speedballing and shit. I don't know about anybody remember, probably about 8-9 years ago, that shit happened in fucking Michigan 94. It was 100 and some damn fucking car pilot, boy. I was actually in Michigan that damn day too. I was on, that happened on 94. I was actually where I was going. I could have took 94 to where I had to go and still had to go back up 96, but I ended up just taking 96 that damn day. I want to shit like this. I don't like. This is what I have. If I'm playing the snow, at least let me not be working, driving, shit. Be my damn snowman. Something. Let my dog go play. Something. Driving this shit. Excuse my language, but nobody these damn, a lot of these damn new drivers coming out nowadays, man. Some of them shit scared the fuck out of me, bro. I don't trust that damn driver. I don't trust nobody damn driver. If I can drive shit. I don't know. Some people I can't trust they drive, but others, man, I don't know. Some people make it work, bro. Like when it's bad, when the weather's getting bad like this, sometimes you gotta learn to play it safe. I want to make a home shit another day. You feel what I'm saying? I'm parked right now. Got this damn reefer driver in front of me. This damn dually backing out of the damn park spot. I'm sitting probably about 45 miles west of West Memphis. Probably a little bit of an hour away from About an hour and a half away from Little Rock, east of Little Rock. I'm headed to Russellville, Kentucky. Remember, Russellville, Arkansas. What? I'm just chilling for the day, damn near. Lord ain't gotta be there till tomorrow. I know I got naps. I got a nap here. I need to cut this shit. Me and my naps. Nap. Forgive me. I know I had this beer for the last couple times. I decided to keep this shit. I'm getting old. I don't know. I'm trimming up. Matter of fact, next time I get home, trim this shit up. Get a line up or something too. I'm in that damn barbershop shit. I'm trying to eat a little more healthy, man. I'm trying to do these joints with 0 sugar. Got the Sprite. Oh, we can see it. 0 sugar. Man, it don't taste too bad. It ain't strong as the regular Sprite, but I'm trying to do a little better, man. I'm trying to be a little more healthy. So, I do got my water. Still got my gallon of water. Matter of fact, I still got something left in my bottle. Gotta finish this shit before the hour. I'm bored. Well, I should talk to my ex-girlfriend. Oh, fuck, I smell Russell, bro. Can't even smell that shit right now. Might be smelling this shit wrong. But I got a load of fucking paper. Well, I don't mean paper. I ain't talking about no damn fucking sheets of paper right on. no ass paper, no paper towels, just rolls of paper, big ass damn, look like fucking big ass damn circles and shit. My damn trailer. 43,000? Down. Take a picture. That's my damn POC card. That's just funny. I keep my paper. 43,220. What? I'm about to go home. Well, I ain't gonna hold you out. Y'all have a nice day. Bye-bye.